Hello students, today we are going to learn active and passive voice in present continuous tense. Now let's start this. First, we will learn the structure for affirmative sentences in passive voice. First, we have to write down object, then is MR, after that form of V. Fourth form of the form of V is to be used, that is being, then third form, then by, then the subject. Now let's understand it through some examples. He is singing a song. He is the subject, is singing verb, a song object. So first we have to write down object, a song. After that is MR or is used with a song. Then being, after that third form of the verb. Sung is the third form of sing, then by, and he will become here him. Now look at next one. I am writing a letter. I is the subject. Am writing verb or letter object. So first we have to write down object, that is a letter. Is, after that being, then third form written, then by, and I will become here me. Now we will learn the structure for negative sentences. First we have to write down object, then is MR, after that not, then fourth form of be, being, then third form, then by, then the subject. Now look at some examples. They are not eating apples. They is the subject. Are eating verb. Not is telling that it's a negative sentence. Apples object. So first we have to write down object, apples, aren't, or you can write down are not. After that being, then third form of the verb, that is eaten. Eaten is the third form of eat, then by, and they will become here them. Now look at next one. We are not helping you. We is the subject, are helping verb, not, again it's tell that it is a negative sentence, then you is the object. So first we have to write down object, you, are not or aren't, that is your wish. After that being, then third form of main verb, helped, then by, and we will become here us. Now let's understand the structure for interrogative sentences. First, for interrogative sentences we have to write down is MR, then object, then being, then third form, after that by, then the subject, and at last we have to put down question mark. Look at some examples. Am I writing a letter? I subject, am writing verb, a letter object. First we have to write down is MR. So is used with a letter. Is, then the object a letter, then being, then third form written, then by, and then at last I will become here me. Now look at next one. Are they eating apples? So first we have to write down is MR. So are will be used with apples. After that object, then being, then third form eaten, then by, and at last they will become here them, and question mark at last we have to put down. Are we helping you? So first are, then object you, then being, then third form of help is helped, then by, and we will become here us, and at last question mark. Students, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.